In this video, we are going to add a featured section in this YouTube channel, uh, like intro video. So first, we have to go this section and click YouTube Studio, and then go to customization and the tab Home tab. Here you can see layout, channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Like who haven't subscribed, they can view this video, and who are subscribers, they view this tutorial. So how can we add this? Just click here and you can remove the video and change. I'm going to change. I'm going to add this video, this for the who haven't subscribed, and this for the who have subscribers for your channel. Or you can show the same video for all of the subscribers and update this. Now I'm going to view this channel. Here you can see this featured video added successfully.